Hello, welcome to Heinrich Georg UK Limited. I'm the Managing Director, Neil Wyke, and I'd like to personally introduce you to our company.
Our current site on the Dunstall Hill Estate in Wolverhampton has been the home of Georg UK since 2006. We operate across 3 units. These house our electrical and testing assembly area, our main assembly area, and our preparation and refurbishment area. It's also home to our technical services team who deliver design, prototype and simulation services. You can explore our facilities in our 3D tour, or if you'd like to visit us, we'd be more than happy to show you around.
We're very lucky to work with some great customers, and we want them to enjoy working with us too in all aspects of our work, from concept design through to on-site commissioning. Our customers operate in a range of sectors, including aerospace, automotive, industrial assembly, rail research and university R&D departments. They choose Georg because of our experienced engineers and our quality approach to solving challenges in machinery productivity, automation and testing.
And we are delighted that many of our customers use us time and time again for new machines, upgrades or servicing. If you have an existing machine you'd like to upgrade, are looking for a new test rig for R&D, or would like to explore automating an existing process, please get in touch with us.